In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an S3 bucket in AWS. It's a quick and straightforward process that you can complete in just about 5 minutes. So, let's dive right in and walk through each step together. The first step is to open your preferred web browser and type AWS into the search bar. Once the AWS homepage appears, click on it to access the login page. Here, you'll need to log in with your usual credentials. Make sure that you enter your details carefully to avoid any fuss before we get to the main tasks. As soon as you're logged into the AWS Management Console, you'll want to locate the Services menu. You can do this by either scrolling through the list of services or, to save time, just type S3 into the console's search bar. This will pull up the Amazon S3 service, which is exactly what we need. Click on S3 to open the dashboard. Now, on the S3 dashboard, you'll see a list of all the S3 buckets you currently have. These buckets are essentially storage units in the cloud where you can keep nearly any type of data. Take a moment here to carefully identify the specific bucket you wish to delete. It's important to be absolutely certain you select the correct one because once it's deleted, retrieving it can be complicated and costly. Once you've located the S3 bucket you want to delete, go ahead and click on it. This action will direct you to another page where more detailed information about the bucket is displayed. Here, you'll have several options regarding what you can do with the bucket. Next, look for the Delete option. You'll usually find a button or a drop-down menu where this option is available. Click on Delete, and you'll likely be prompted to confirm your action. Deleting a bucket, especially if it contains data, is a serious task, so AWS will ask you to confirm that you really mean to go through with it. Enter any information required, like typing the name of the bucket to confirm, and then proceed with the deletion. Once you've confirmed, AWS will take a moment to process your request, and then the S3 bucket will be permanently deleted from your account. It's a good habit to refresh the page just to make sure everything looks as expected, and you've managed to clear out what you needed to. And there you have it, a quick, efficient walkthrough of how to delete an S3 bucket on AWS, all done in just a few minutes. Remember, when working with valuable data, always double-check before you delete anything to avoid any unwanted data loss. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. See you in the next video.